Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make a bouquet of chocolates. First, gather your materials. You'll need an assortment of chocolates, wooden skewers, and a block of floral foam. Also, have some clear cellophane, a pretty ribbon, and a decorative container or basket ready. Having everything organized beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the chocolates. Gently insert a wooden skewer into the base of each chocolate, or use a small piece of tape or a dab of hot glue to secure it. Be careful not to damage the chocolate wrapper. Vary the lengths of your skewers slightly. This will help create a more natural and visually appealing bouquet arrangement later on. Next, we'll start assembling the bouquet. Place the floral foam firmly into your chosen container or basket. Begin by inserting the longest chocolate skewers into the center of the foam, working your way outwards with shorter ones. Try to distribute the chocolates evenly, creating a full and balanced shape. Don't be afraid to adjust them until you're happy with the arrangement. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your chocolate bouquet. Carefully wrap the entire arrangement in clear cellophane, gathering it at the base of the container. Secure the cellophane with a beautiful ribbon, tying a neat bow. Your stunning, handmade chocolate bouquet is now complete and ready to be gifted or enjoyed. It's a delightful and easy project.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.